Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be covering the question of general medicine and surgery from 2011 question paper. Now let's start the video. First question is leukemia is not seen in. The options are Down syndrome, Bloom syndrome, ataxia telangiectasia and CVID. CVID is common variable immune deficiency. So option D is the correct answer, CVID. Now moving to the next question. Fulminant hepatitis in pregnant women is most commonly caused by the options are hepatitis C, hepatitis B, hepatitis D, and hepatitis E. So the correct answer is option D, hepatitis E. So hepatitis E is associated with fulminant hepatitis in pregnant women. Now moving to the next question, which is not true about the cerebellar lesion. So the options are it affects the same side of the body. Lesion in small area manifest larger effects in the body. Smaller the lesion causes more damage to the larger than the larger lesion, and deeper lesion cause more damage than superficial lesion. So the correct answer is option C. Smaller lesion cause more damage than large lesion. Moving to the next question. Next question is paradoxical movement of chest in a patient who has suffered from trauma is called. Options are flail chest, cardiac tamponade, dyspnea, and pneumothorax. So paradoxical movement of chest is seen in flail chest. Moving to the next question. All of the following can be a cause of resurgence in malaria except the options are emergence of new strains, drug resistant in host, drug resistant in parasite, and resistance of the vector to DDT. So the correct option is option B, drug resistant in host. Moving to next question. Diabetes insipidus result from the lesion of which hypothalamic nuclei? The options are preoptic, supraoptic, paraventricular, suprachiasmatic. So the correct answer is option B, supraoptic. Moving to the next question. The most common organism associated with subacute bacterial endocarditis of dental origin. The options are Streptococcus viridans, Staphylococcus aureus, Lactobacillus acidophilus, beta hemolytic streptococci. So the correct answer is option A, Streptococcus viridans. Moving to the next question, which is true about the pneumothorax? The options are surfactant decreases, lung compliance increases, intrapleural pressure become negative, and chest expands. So option D is the correct answer, chest expands. Moving to the next question. Prostate specific antigen is the options are tumor marker, oncogenic, proto-oncogene, bacterial antigen. So the correct answer is option A. It is a tumor marker. Moving to the next question. The next question is gout is a disorder of the options are pyrimidine metabolism, purine metabolism, ketone metabolism, and protein metabolism. So correct option is option B, purine metabolism. Which of these is not included in parenteral therapy? Options are fibers, micronutrients, carbohydrates, and fats. So fibers are not included in parenteral therapy. Now moving to the next question. A 6-year-old child is suffering from chronic pyogenic meningitis. Biochemical analysis of CSF sample show no change in glucose and protein, little or no change in neutrophil count, and marked increase in lymphocyte count. The most probable cause of meningitis is the options are bacterial, viral, tuberculosis, and parasitic. So the correct option is option D, viral. Moving to the next question. Obesity is not caused by options are diabetes mellitus, estrogen deficiency, hypothyroidism, and growth hormone deficiency. So the correct answer is option A, diabetes mellitus. Moving to the next question. Autism is characterized by the options are incapacitance of motor and mental coordination, mental retardation, delayed motor response or lack of motor skills, incapacitating emotional and mental disturbances. So option D is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. A patient with accident is presented in a casualty. What will be the least Glasgow index to measure his responsiveness? So the options are 7, 11, 3, and 15. So option C, that is 3, is the least Glasgow, Glasgow coma index to measure his responsiveness. So in Glasgow Coma Index, in eye response, if eye opens spontaneously, then score 4 is given. If it open to verbal command, then 3 is given. If it open to pain, then 2 is given. If there is no eye opening, then score 1 is given. Now in verbal response, if it is oriented, then score 5 is given. If it is confused, then 4 is given. If inappropriate words are, then 3 is given. If the patient is presenting incomprehensible sound, then 2 is given. And if there is no verbal response, then score 1 is given. In motor response, if the patient obeys the command, then 6 is given. If patient localize the pain, then 5 is given. In motor response, withdrawal from the pain, then 4 is given. Flexion to pain, 3 is given. Extension to pain, 2 is given. And there is no motor response, then score 1 is given. Moving to the next question. Stage 3 lymphoma in Ann Arbor classification of lymphoma is, the options are involvement of lymph node region or lymphoid structure on the both side of diaphragm, involvement of 2 or more lymph nodes on the same side of diaphragm. Option C is diffuse involvement of extralymphatic lymph nodes, and option D is involvement of one lymph node or a single region. So the correct answer is option A, involvement of lymph node region or lymphoid structure on both sides of diaphragm. Moving to the next question. The first and most important step in management of a case of trauma is, options are supply large amount of oxygen, start IV infusion, clearing airway, and call ambulance. So clearing airway is the first and most important step in the management of case of trauma. Moving to the next question. Which anesthetic agent is contraindicated for intrathecal use? Options are fentanyl, remifentanil, sufentanil, and alfentanil. So the correct answer is option B, remifentanil. Moving to the next question. Which IV anesthetic is a potent bronchodilator and choice of agent in asthmatic patient? Options are propofol, thiopentone, ketamine, and midazolam. So the correct answer is option C, ketamine. Moving to the next question. All are true about propofol except the options are it causes vomiting, it has rapid recovery rate, used for induction and maintenance of anesthesia, and it causes sedation. So the correct answer is option A, it causes vomiting. On the administration of LA in area of infection, most LA is present in the form of, options are increase in cationic bond, buffering capacity of LA decrease concentration of unchanged base, decrease charged cations. So the correct answer is option A, increase in cationic bond. Moving to the next question. Administration of which of the following anesthetic agent associated with reduced incidence of lightheadedness and rapid recovery? Options are diazepam, droperidol, propofol, and midazolam. So the correct answer is option C, propofol. Moving to next question. Eutectic mixture of 2.5% lidocaine and 2.5% prelocaine is primarily used in, options are Gazarian ganglion block, Gogate inferior alveolar nerve block, topical skin application, and spinal anesthesia. So eutectic mixture of 2.5% lidocaine and 2.5% prelocaine is used as topical skin application. Now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please press thumbs up. And if you have any query and any suggestion, then please write in the comment section. Till then, take care and happy learning. Thank you so much.